So hi everyone, Dallas here from Body Fabulous Fitness, and today I have an expert on car restraints, Wiki from Hire for Baby. So Wiki, we've had a few questions, and first of all tell us, why would you get your car restraint professionally fitted?
Hi Dallas, yeah, that's a great question. Particularly, you could just buy a seat and then just put it in the car and there's instructions. But you know what? Car seats is a little bit like sailing if you ever try your hands on it. Because, with sailing, you've got so many different elements that you've got to look at. You've got the wind, you've got the sail, you've got this rope, you've got that rope. Car seat has got its methodology as well. To have a professional restraint fitter, look at your car, assess it, and look at the seat and then show you the steps on what you need to do, what strap to pull, where you need to adjust as your baby grows. That eases the pressure off you a lot as new parents, where you've got to deal with so many things
Yeah,
already.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And when do you recommend, if you're pregnant, what sort of timing should someone, get a professional to install a car restraint?
So I reckon around about 2 weeks before your due date, because that allows you time to sort of take it easy, that you knowing that your baby still hasn't arrived or yet to arrive, and it's not too far away from your due date that you might forget all the tips and the tricks
Yeah.
that we tell you about how you actually use your seat.
Absolutely, that's
Yeah.
good advice, because you don't want to forget all that fantastic advice that you receive if you've had the car seat installed too soon. And also, what side of the car do you recommend the seat should be installed on?
That's another good question that I always get from parents when they bring their seat into me to get it fitted. They go, I don't know which side is best. So generally I will start from the passenger side, okay? Simply because it's just, when you park your car on the curb, your vehicle on the curb, it's just safer, you don't have to deal with traffic going across on the other side. So then you can then at peace do your thing.
Yeah.
But there is actually, statistically, there is no proof
Yep.
that the middle seat is safer, or the driver's
the
side,
driver's seat. Oh, that's
or the
interesting.
passenger side. Statistically,
Yeah.
there's no difference.
So it's obviously going to be a lot more comfortable, and you're actually going to be safer yourself if it's on the passenger side near the curb.
Yeah.
And what would you recommend between a capsule that clicks, from the car into the pram, to a standard car seat in a car?
Right. So with that, I think with a small, like newborn, I think they are best suited for the capsule because it's smaller and it's more snuggler for the baby as well. I think that's probably the best option for the newborn. And capsule could be expensive, and this is where Hire Us comes in.
Yeah.
We could help you with that. And you can hire it. You don't have to fork out all that money. Because some of the seats, if you think about it, some of the seats are for like newborn up until like 4 years old or 6 years old. Imagine a 6-year-old child and a newborn. Quite a difference, isn't it?
Big difference.
So, the seat needs to cater from so little up to so big. So it's not ideal for something really little to be in that. So I would go with the capsule to begin with, then move up to the seat, because by the time they're out of the capsule, 6 months or so, a 0 to 4 seat would be quite good fit in a rear facing setup.
And that's another benefit of hiring it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So then you can start off with a capsule and then move to a different car seat.
Yeah.
And also, you told me a great story that if your baby actually doesn't like the car seat you've bought, they're having to be screaming, they don't like it, you can provide some other options by hiring a different seat.
So you hire a different seat, or if baby is really little, then you can have the capsule for and see how you go. Because this particular customer is with the capsule, the baby just sleeps soundly in the car, while they travel, so it was perfect.
That's fantastic. And it's a great option too, if you want to hire your car seat and get it professionally installed. If you're traveling as well, or for your grandparents, that's another reason. Because we all know the priority is the safety of your baby, and there's a lot of questions surrounding car seats, so I highly recommend you get a professional to help you.